Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm trying to show you what the new Christmas update comes. So yeah, let's begin. You go outside here. There are like this portal. You can skate. It's really cool, and you can jump like this, and you make some weed. You can also take poses like this and this. But it's not really good. But yeah, you can also belly flop. So yeah, you can also take fairy post pack. Take four or three. So you can jump like this. You can fly over it, but it's not looking like you can do it. So yeah, but look, you can. In this portal, you can take some stuff. You should make some things. And that so you can win some clothes. So yeah, and there are Elsa. Here is the living room. It's really pretty. I love it so much because it's really pretty and it's really good to holidays season. So yeah, the Christmas trees and like that stuff. There are some like red colors and trees everywhere, and I love this Christmas tree. It's really big and snowy and gifts also. So yeah, it's really pretty. Here there are obbies, not like that obby I said before, because this is obby. You can take some money and the money here. So yeah, you can if you don't can do it, so you don't die. You can only take the stairs. So yeah, and the stairs look like that. So yeah, let's begin to the other room. Wait, sorry. You can also put patterns stuff. You can put patterns like stuff like that red one, like this one, or this glamour, Blonde Glamour. Yes, it's really good song. I don't know why, but yeah, my friends is sometimes singing it. So yeah, you can also take this and pellets. You can also change, but I like patterns best. I'm taking this like this. So yeah, let's begin to the other obby. Okay, here we are in the lobby. Not the lobby, in the dressing room, so you can put in things. Okay, over here is the same. There are colors, skin colors. I love this hairstyle, and Lana is Lana right there with the pretty head. Yes, so there are like a closet right there, and that are really cute. You can take this gift and the cup, or the cup, yes. Yeah. So we going in the. You can also take hot dogs and cupcakes and like that. So yeah, yeah. And if you have VIP like that, that's the only VIP. So can you take some stuff? It's the same, but the cat tail is right there. I love this section because it's really pretty, and I love the glasses. You can make an elf or Santa Claus, and there like that clothes you. This is really pretty. So yeah, I'm showing you a little bit here. So yeah, bye guys, and thank you for watching.